Long before ecotourism was a buzzword or responsible travel was a marketing trend, there was this quiet revolution happening in the heart of Botswana. Since the early 1980s, Desert and Delta Safaris has been empowering the local people of Botswana and protecting the wilderness, not because it was fashionable, but because it was the right thing to do.
We know we are doing a great job, and we know that we are family. I'm proud to be part of Desert and Delta.
For us, responsibility has always been about people first.
Desert and Delta Safari is proudly Botswana born.
This is homegrown success, where local people aren't just employees, they're owners and shareholders.
As I was growing up, I never thought I would get this opportunity. What I can tell the young me back then is, you can do it and you're very strong.
We believe that the strongest conservation model combines local community involvement with scientific understanding. So our partnership with Botswana's universities and schools help develop the next generation of conservation leaders. Our presence in these delicate ecosystems demands nothing less than our absolute dedication to their protection. Across all of our properties, we've pioneered solutions to environmental challenges when it comes to operating in these remote areas.
It all comes from the visitors wanting to experience our wilderness.
At Desert and Delta Safaris, our customers are the heartbeat of our company. Without them, none of the good that we do would be possible. When you journey with us, you become part of something greater. Not just Africa's spectacular wilderness, but its most remarkable resource, our people.
People come here not only to enjoy watching wildlife, but the bonds that you make with the guests. That's what makes them come back to Botswana.
His philosophy is really about empowering local communities to become the guardians of their natural heritage. It's creating a cycle where prosperity and conservation grow hand in hand. It's our promise to the employees, to our customers, and to the environment that we will always continue to protect and empower the local community for generations to come.